Okay. Hey everybody, it's Mark here today with another, this one vocab video. I know usually we do grammar videos, but today I'm doing some vocab for you with a little bit of grammar, right? So first I'm going to talk about love. Who do you love? You say, I love my sister, I love my parents, I love ice cream, right? Of course you love a lot of things. So here's my love. Right? And love, like I said, I love my parents, I love English. We can use a noun, that's okay. Or we can use a verb with ing. Both are okay. I love studying English or I love English, right? I love cooking dinner with my wife. I love cooking, right? Something like that. We can do the verb or the noun style. Okay, then if I go down, again, all of these, love, enjoy, like, all of these are fine for showing what we enjoy, what we love, right? These ones I like to group together. Then we go down, it says, I think, is. We can also use this feeling or this phrase so that we can share our opinion. We can say, I think having a lion is wonderful. We learned this in our class last week. Having a lie-in is when you sleep longer than usual on a weekend. So, having a lie-in, ing, okay. And here, the noun. I think your idea is wonderful. Your idea is brilliant. That's also okay. And then one more. Some of you have heard people say, oh, I'm really interested, or I'm keen. We can also say what we're interested in or what we are keen on. Say, I'm interested in, I'm keen on, right? For me, I'm interested in learning Japanese. I'm interested in learning Japanese. I think you are interested in learning English. And here, I'm keen on, I'm interested in. We can also again use our noun. I'm interested in action movies. I'm keen on science fiction, right? So take a look. And part one of your homework, try to think, what do you enjoy, love? What interests you? What are you interested in? And I'll catch you in a second. Okay, part two. So we did love. Now we're going to do so-so and don't like. So first, so-so, this guy, he's like, it's just okay, right? Love, no. Don't like, no. Right in the middle, I will say, I think is all right. Same as before, we can use ing. I think doing the laundry is all right. I love it, no, right? I think doing the laundry is all right. Laundry, right? This is my washing the clothes. Washing my clothes, I say laundry. Doing the laundry, okay? Or sometimes British people will say doing the wash. Doing the wash, doing the laundry, okay. This also we can say, I don't mind, right? I don't mind cooking dinner. It's okay. Do I love it? No. Do I hate it? No, right? So these two, perfect. You can also use a noun, right? You could say, I think baseball's all right. I think baseball's all right. Not great, but it's okay. I don't mind, right? I don't mind baseball. I don't mind this, right? It's okay. Next, let's move on to our unhappy man. Maybe this guy a little sad. I'll change him. Now he is angry. Now he's angry. Let's see. I hate. I hate. We can also, right? Again, ing. I hate cleaning the bathroom. Oh, it's so annoying, right? Cleaning the bathroom, not great, right? Or I can't stand. Maybe this one again, right? This one we can say, I can't stand watching football. Some of you, I see you see football on the TV, you immediately change the channel. And that's because you really don't like it. You can't stand it. You can't bear it. If we ask you to watch football for 5 minutes, you'll say, I give up, please, anything but football, right? I can't stand it. Okay, and last two right here, you can also use these phrases. Drives me crazy, gets on my nerves. Same thing, ing, waiting in line drives me crazy sometimes. When I'm waiting in line at a restaurant and I think 10 minutes, then 20 minutes, 30 minutes, right? It's really not fun. it drives me crazy. Or it bothers me, right? It gets on my nerves. This one, we can use our noun, right? Our person, my son, gets on my nerves, right? Your son does something that you don't like, right? Right? I could say, when my son plays video games all day, it gets on my nerves. When my, I gotta be careful, not wife. When my son, when my son doesn't do his homework, it gets on my nerves. So that's all of our phrases, right? For our so-so and our don't like. So as always, guys, comment, like, subscribe, right? Students in my class, please comment. I want to see how you can use this new language. And I'll catch all of you next time. Okay?